multilateral development banks and resolving the debt issues. Yet, given the large financing gap, developing countries will also need to mobilize private investment to achieve the SDGs. Unfortunately, most private sector investment flows to their advanced economies, some to mature energy markets and virtually none in the rest of developing countries. The United Nations system should address the reasons for the paucity of private investment in the developing countries, which include high country and currency risk, weak capacity to prepare viable investment projects, the high cost of capital, and deficient regulatory frameworks. An investment proportion entity could be established under the UN's umbrella as a public-private partnership to, one, create and enlarge the capacity of developing countries to identify the proposed SDG-related bankable projects, develop a template for national and international regulatory frameworks to incentivize private investment, and third, develop measures to de-risk such SDG-related investment, for example, through green bonds, blended finance, sovereign guarantees, insurance schemes, and first loss mechanisms. 4, negotiate a revised method for calculating risk with credit rating agencies to lower the cost of capital and connect all the stakeholders on one platform. This UN-affiliated entity could also create a professionally managed project unit which could, one, utilize the UN's 130+ country offices and specialized agencies to develop the capacity of developing countries to prepare, structure, and implement SDG-oriented projects. Also help national governments to develop the regulatory and incentive structures to attract private investments and help accelerate the preparation of national projects. Last, authentic projects for their relevance to the SDGs. Pakistan will further elaborate this proposal during the proceedings of General Assembly. I thank you.
निगरान वज़ीर आज़म अनवारुल हक काकड़ अक़ीदा जनरल असम्बली के इजलास के हवाले से फाइनेंसिंग फॉर डेवलपमेंट मुबाहिसे में खिताब कर रहे थे। उनका कहना था पायदार तरक्की के अहदाफ के लिए तरक्की पजीर मुल्कों को माली मुआवनत हासिल होना चाहिए।